Did you know the Great Molasses Flood of 1919 crushed Boston streets in a sticky wave? On January 15th, a 50-foot-tall tank burst, releasing 2.3 million gallons of molasses. This molasses wave slammed at 35 passers, knocking over people, horses, and buildings alike. Relief teams struggled because molasses, unlike water, clogged everything and slowed rescue. The flood killed 21 and injured 150, but the real shock? The tank had been leaking for months. Engineers later found poor construction and cold weather made the tank brittle and prone to burst. It turned Boston's North End into a horror scene, sticky, suffocating, and chaotic for days.